This conference will now be recorded.
సార్ మధ్యలో కనపడలా అది రాలేదంటే రీజన్ అదే జాయిన్ అవ్వాలా వద్దా జాయిన్ అవ్వాలా hope you people have enjoyed Shivratri, right? Shall we start? ఇప్పుడన్నా రెగ్యులర్గా వస్తారా లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ మీరు కొత్త పర్సనా సార్? మీ నేమ్? హరీష్. ఈరోజు ఫస్ట్ క్లాసా? ఆన్లైన్లో ఉన్నారా? ఈరోజు ఫస్ట్ క్లాసా? ఏమైనా ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్ ఏమైనా చూసారా? ఏమి చూడలేదా? అలాగే వాకినా లేకపోతే ఏమైనా రిఫరెన్స్? రిఫరెన్స్ కొద్దిగా రెగ్యులర్గా రండి సార్. ఓకే, మధ్యలో ఎక్కడ ఈ పీపుల్ ఆర్ పేయింగ్ ఫీ, ఈ పీపుల్ ఆర్ పేయింగ్ అమౌంట్. ఓకే, అది మీ అమౌంట్ అయితే మీకు ఆ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ తెలుస్తుంది. మన పేరెంట్స్ ఇన్కమ్ కదా, అందుకని చెప్పని తెలియట్లేదు. ఓకే, ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ జాబ్స్. ఫస్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ వస్తే జాబ్స్ అవి వస్తాయి. మీ నాలెడ్జ్నే సరిగ్గా తెచ్చుకోకపోతే జాబ్స్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయి? రైట్. ఎనీవేస్, సో షల్ వి స్టార్ట్? యా, వాట్ ఈస్ SAP? Okay. What is the role we are going to do after completion of this course? What consultant will do? Configure based on client. Who is client? Various reports. Who is implementation partner? IT. What are the different types of modules we have in SAP? What is the technical module of SAP? Why ABAP is technical module? It is programming language of SAP. Okay, ABAP contains above contains technical programs. Technical programs contains technical tables contains technical. So last 2 days, that means before we provided the holidays, okay, we have discussed FI architecture. Okay, what is the FI architecture? What is the purpose of FI architecture? Okay, what is the start point? On what base we define business areas in SAP? On what base we define business areas in SAP? Client? చెప్తే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా కమాండింగ్గా చెప్పండి, లేకపోతే చెప్పండి. On what base we define business areas in SAP? Client? Branch offices we define as client. Branch offices we define as on what? See, what is the question? My question: on what base we define business areas? What is the base to create business area? Each and every client branch office we create as business area. On what base we define functional area in SAP? On what base we define functional area in SAP? The last person. Posan Krishnamurli garu laga unnaru. నేను పరామర్శించడానికి ఏమైనా వెళ్ళారా? చెప్పండి. ఏం డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్? ఏం డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్? Each and every client, okay, office departments we create as functional areas in SAP. On what base we create profit centers in SAP? రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారా? తప్పించుకోలేదు. చెప్పండి. రిజిస్టర్ అవుతే మనకి ఎందుకురా తలపోటు అని చెప్పని మానేచ్చు. రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారు కదా, క్వశ్చన్లు అడగకూడదు కదా. చెప్పండి సార్. On what base we create profit centers in SAP?
Production plan.
We create profit centers based on production plans, client production plans. Okay, maximum 99% cases, each and every production plant we will create as profit center in SAP. So, what is the FA organization structure again? Can you please repeat? Client,
Client,
group company, company codes, branch offices, plans, and departments, functional
why we
areas.
create these all things in SAP?
To record day-to-day business transactions at each and every organizational unit.
These all organization units, what is the mandatory?
Company
Why it is
codes.
mandatory?
It is a legal
It's a
entity.
legal entity. Okay, once you register with MCA, okay, as a business, as a company, as a legal entity, that particular company is responsible to record each and every transaction legally, and okay, they should prepare financial statements. They should prepare every time. చిన్నపిల్లల్లో చెప్పించుకోకండి సార్. ఎవ్రీ టైం చిన్నపిల్లలకు నేను హింట్ ఇస్తే మీరు చెప్పడం కాదు. ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో ఎవరైనా వచ్చి హింట్ ఇస్తారా సార్ మీకు? ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో ఎవరైనా వచ్చి పక్కన వచ్చి ఇదిగో ఇది ఓకే దే షుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ అన్నట్టు అప్పుడు మీరు ఫైనాన్షియల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో ఎవరైనా పక్కన నుండి గిల్లుతారా సార్ మిమ్మల్ని? దెన్ ఈ పీపుల్ షుడ్ ఓకే why they should why legal entity is legally responsible? Because once they register with MCA, that particular business has responsibility, legally responsibility to record day-to-day transactions and to prepare financial statements, and they should submit to. So people should complete this total sentence. Every legal entity, it is legally responsible to record each and every transaction, and they should prepare financial statements, P&L statement, balance sheet, and they should submit to income tax department, government. That is the sentence you people should tell. Okay, if I say what is company code? Company code is legal entity. Then what legal entity will do? Legal entity will record transactions. Then why they are recording transactions? They should prepare reports. Why they should prepare reports? They should submit to. What is this? No one will give okay hint in okay interviews, right or wrong. You people should start okay. You people should give proper explanation. If anyone asks what is the purpose of legal entity in SAP, what is the answer you people should give? Legal entity is responsible to record each and every transaction. Okay, and they should prepare financial statement and they should submit to the government. Okay, that is the answer you people should give. Hope you got my point. మీ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నట్టు గారాభంగా మీ ఇంట్లో ఇచ్చినట్టు ఓకే ఆరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఇచ్చినట్టు మీ బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్కి గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్కి ఇచ్చినట్టు చిన్న చిన్న ఇలా జరుపులేవు కదా సార్. ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ దే విల్ సే యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ఫర్ ద డే. యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ఫర్ ద డే. హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్. ఇన్ ఎనీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇఫ్ యూ లిసన్ దిస్ వర్డ్ యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ఫర్ ద డే, యూ విల్ నాట్ okay, you will not get a call again from that particular okay company. So any question please try to give proper explanation. Okay, then what is the purpose of group company? Group company will
To
be
give the
used
consolidated
to prepare
financial statements.
consolidation reports in SAP. Once again, what is the purpose of group company?
To prepare the
Will be
consolidated
used to
financial
prepare
statements.
consolidation okay reports. Consolidation, they combine all values of the respective legal entities and they prepare consolidation financial statements, consolidation reports. In which currency? Which currency? Base country currency. In which currency? It is not in Indian currency. In your company code, okay, for your company code, that is your base country is India. That is the reason you are going to prepare in INR, but it is always not in INR. Hope you got the point. In which currency? In which financial year? Base country financial year. In which financial year? Base country. Sir, మీరు ఎలా కూర్చోండి సార్. అమ్మా మీరు ఎలా రండి. In which financial year? Base country financial year. Okay, right. What is segment? Nothing but finished goods or products. Okay. And the next day after FI architecture, we have discussed about company code global settings.
Company code.
What is the purpose of company code global settings in SAP?
Record day-to-day business transaction at respect to company code level.
Company code level. In FI architecture, the starting point is client. After that, group company. After that, company code. Company code is legally responsible. Whether you record transactions at group company level, whether you record transactions at business area level, or functional area level, or profit center level, or segment level, okay, your company may consider or your company may not consider. Based on your business requirement, your means client business requirement, they may record transactions at group company, they may record transactions at business area, they may record transactions at functional area, they may record transactions at profit center, they may record transactions at segment. But recording transactions at company code level is mandatory. That is the reason you people should maintain few settings at company code level. Then only you can record the transactions at company code level. What are those global settings?
Months, GL list, and accounting department form.
What is chart of accounts? List of all GL accounts. What are the liability accounts? What are the asset accounts? What are the income and
Given
what are the
expenditures.
expenditure GL accounts that particular company is using? We define under chart of accounts.
Chart
We
of
define under chart of accounts. What is posting period?
Posting period is like months. How many months we had?
Posting period is nothing but in which period business
You're
user is
preparing the financial statements.
posting the accounting documents. In which period business user is posting the accounting document? Where? In SAP. Where? In SAP. Okay, you are learning SAP. We always discuss about SAP only. What is fiscal year? What is the financial year your legal entity is using? Okay, what is our legal entity? Company code. Okay, which company code we are discussing now in this class? Tata Chemicals
Tata
India
Chemicals India
Limited.
Private.
Tata Chemicals India Limited. What is the financial year?
April to March.
Coming to April to March financial year. Okay, because Tata Chemicals India Limited belongs to India. India, what is the financial year?
April to March.
So coming to April to March, which period is first period? Which period is last period?
April is the first posting period and March is the 12th
Last
posting
period. Now we are in February. Which period we are in?
11th.
period. Because in Indian financial year, February is 11th period. For example, you are working for Tata Chemicals US Limited. Tata Chemicals US Limited. What is Tata Chemicals US Limited financial year?
January to December.
How February will become?
Second posting
That
period.
is the functionality of posting period. Now, if any user is posting in Tata Chemicals India Limited, which period he should use?
April to March.
Which period they should use? 11th period. Because if any business user is posting any document in Tata Chemicals India Limited, which period he will use?
11th
period.
period.
If any business user posting any accounting document in Tata Chemicals US Limited, which period he will use?
Second posting period.
What is the financial year of Tata Chemicals India Limited? Now, which financial year? 2024. Which financial year? 2024. What is the financial year of Tata Chemicals US Limited? 2025. Already they have started 2025, but still we are in 2024. When our 2025 financial year will start?
April.
Then April 1st. Hope you people understand, right? What is field status period? Status of fields. What are the status? Mandatory, optional, suppress, hide or display. Okay, when it will be impacted? At the time of accounting document posting. At the time of accounting document posting by using respective GL accounts. By using respective GL accounts. Okay, I hope you got my point. Everyone is clear, right? What are the company code global settings? Once again. Company. Language. Fiscal variant. Posting period variant. Sort of accounts. Field status. Variant. మీరు రాస్తున్నారా సార్ రాసుకుంటున్నారా లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ రాలేదా ఎందుకు రిలేటివ్స్ వస్తే రేపు పొద్దున్న మనకి జాబ్ రాలేదు ఇంకోటి రిలేటివ్స్ వస్తారా కరెక్ట్గా ఎవరైనా రిలేటివ్ ఇంటికి వారం రోజులు ఉండండి ఇంకో రోజు ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తాడు వీడని చూస్తారు ఇంకో రోజు ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తాడు వీడని చెప్పి చూస్తారు రైటా ప్రాక్టికల్గా మాట్లాడు కెరీర్ బిల్డ్ చేసేటప్పుడు రిలేటివ్స్ని ఫ్రెండ్స్ని గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ని బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్ని బీర్లని బిర్యానీని పక్కన పెట్టండి సార్ ఒక 4 to 5 years ఓకే తర్వాత మొత్తం అందరూ వస్తారు మరి మన దగ్గరికి మన వ్యాలెట్ ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది వ్యాలెట్ అంటే ఏంటి పర్స్ ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది అందరూ అలా వస్తారు ఫస్ట్ ఆ పర్స్ ఫుల్ చేయడానికి చూడండి ఓకేనా మేము ఊరు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఓకే నువ్వు పలకరించడానికి రాలేదు మేము ఊరు వచ్చినప్పుడు నువ్వు అసిస్ట్ చేయడానికి రాలేదు ఓకేనా మాకు ఇంట్లో పోకపోతే నేను చూడడానికి రాలేదు ఇవన్నీ నా వరకు అయితే అర్థమైందా రేపొద్దున మనకి ఏ అవసరం వచ్చినా ఎవడో రాడు మీరు ఫస్ట్ కెరీర్ని బిల్డ్ చేయి మీరు ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినా ఆన్సర్ పట్టు రైటారా లాస్ట్ 1 week నుంచి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నా ఇస్తున్నారా ఓకేనా రైట్ ఎనీవేస్ What is today's topic? FI document type settings. Okay, in SAP. FI document type settings. Day before yesterday, that means okay. In FI organized structure, we have discussed what is the purpose of FI organized structure? To record day-to-day transactions. To record day-to-day transactions at each and every organizational unit level. Then second, we have discussed company code global settings. What is the purpose of company code global settings? To record day-to-day transactions at company code level, respective company code level. Now, this is what is this one? FI document type settings. What is the purpose? What are the UK submodules we have? What are the submodules we have in FI at least?
FICOMMPP.
GL is one submodule. AR is one submodule. AP is n number of times I have discussed that FI is our main module. What are the submodules? GL is one submodule. AR is one submodule. AP is one submodule. Asset accounting is one submodule. Bank account management is one submodule. These all are different submodules. Now, what is the purpose of documented settings in SAP? Will be used to record day-to-day transactions in each and every submodule. Now, I have one question for you. You take any business in this world. What are the different types of transactions they record? Sales, purchases,
payments,
expenses, income. You take any organization in this world. What are the different types of transactions they record? Banking, okay. Production, okay. Assets, okay. Tell me. Yes, everything what you are saying is right. Tell me. See, someone has told that on sales and purchases, production, bank, assets, anything else, tax, okay,
Any liabilities?
liabilities, okay. Any other transactions they will post, depreciation. Okay.
Any
depreciation,
provisional items?
Someone has started with sales, then purchases, then
expenses,
okay,
production,
expenses, okay,
liability,
liabilities, okay,
depreciation,
okay, tax, okay. Anything else?
depreciation.
Depreciation assets లో వస్తుంది కదా, right?
Okay.
Then
Procurement. Okay. Production.
purchase లోకి వస్తుంది కదా. Then bank, okay. Then
So
anything else?
Retained earnings. Retained earnings like profit and loss.
Retained earnings account, okay. Okay. Then anything else? You take any business, any company in this world. I am not talking about Hyderabad, I am not talking about AP, or I am not talking about Telangana. If you take any company in this world, what are the different types of transactions they post? Anything else? Hmm? Share capital, okay. Anything else? Hmm? Loans, okay. Hmm? Advances, okay. Don't tell each and everything in trade balance. Okay, right. Tell me investments, okay. Hmm?
Receivables.
Hmm? Anything else? Salaries, expenses లోకి వస్తుంది కదా. Hmm. Any?
Treasury stock of share.
Hmm?
Treasury stock.
Closing stock.
Treasury stock.
Treasury, okay. Treasury, that is a different, madam.
Yes,
Anyways,
yes,
I will
that's
write.
fine. Mm.
I will write, okay. Profit. Inventory. Anything else? Treasury also it comes under bank and cash and everything. Okay. Anyways, leave it. Okay. Yeah. Hmm? Missionary. Assets look just profit booking you are talking about. Return earnings account look clear. Just okay. We run it profit and creditors and creditors. Okay.
Purchase return, sale return, credit note.
Hmm?
Purchase return,
It is all purchase logo, sales logo వచ్చేస్తాయి. Sales returns, purchase returns, debit note, credit note, everything. Yeah. Any other transactions?
Reserves and surplus.
Reserves and surplus రిటైన్ ఎర్నింగ్స్ అకౌంట్ బట్టి వచ్చేస్తాయండి. ఓకే, మీ ఇష్టం. వాట్ ఆర్ okay. Any other transactions? Maximum you people have given. Maximum, right? Okay. So these are transactions. If you take these are transactions, I will divide it into 5 types. I will divide it into 5 types. Any transaction, this one, either you can record by using general ledger accounts. Any okay transactions, okay, you can record by using general ledger accounts. And for creditors and okay debtors, you can use accounts payables and
Accounts receivable.
accounts receivables. Right? Then okay, your all assets you can create by using fixed assets. Then materials. Either it is procurement or production or banks, it will come under GL only. Yeah. Okay, because check deposit account, check issue account, main bank account, these all are GL accounts. Right or wrong? Yeah, tell me. So whatever the transactions we have, okay, told us we have discussed, these all comes under these 5 or anything else? You okay, you take sales, it comes under materials and accounts receivable. Purchases, it comes under materials, accounts payable. Okay, expenses, it comes under GL accounts. Liabilities, SA, okay, it comes under GL accounts. And okay, assets, it comes under fixed assets. Tax, it will comes under GL account. Production, it will come under materials. Bank, it will comes under GL account. Return earnings account, it comes under GL account. Share capital, it comes under GL account. Loans, it comes under GL account. Advances, it comes under accounts payable or accounts payable or GL account, whatever it means. Then treasury, it comes under GL account. And inventory, it comes under material and GL accounts. Profit, it comes under GL account. Creditors, it comes under accounts payable. Debtors, it comes under accounts receivable. Okay, receivable, what is that? Reserves and surplus, it comes under GL accounts. Later on. So what I mean to convey, you take any organization in this world, they will record the transactions, any transaction in this 5 only. Right or wrong? You don't have any other option. You don't have any other option. Right or wrong? Okay, hope everyone understood, right? So now what I mean to convey, why I am telling these all things, whatever the okay transactions users is going to do or users is going to post in SAP application, it comes under or it comes under or it comes under or it comes under or it comes under either purchases or production or sales. Hope you got the point. So whatever the transactions they want to use, okay, do or whatever the reports they want to generate, either it should be in GL accounts or either it should belongs to accounts receivable or it should belongs to accounts payable or it should belongs to accounts receivable or fixed assets or material. That is the reason, okay, SAP has given some standard account types. Some standard from today onwards. If I use the word standard, it means it has provided by SAP. It has provided by SAP. You have not created that. I have not created. Someone has not created. team has provided. Will you please go to everyone in all and can you go to mute? Okay. So any transaction in SAP, either it will be recorded in GL or AR or AP or fixed assets or material. From two, okay, say anything, it is a standard. It is a standard that means provided by SAP because okay, at the time of that application development, that SAP team knows that in this world, any company can record the transactions either in GL or either in AP or either in AR or either in fixed assets or either in materials. That is the reason they have provided some standard account types. Some standard account types. What are those account types belongs to? The first one is GL. The second one is AP. The third one is AR. Fourth one is fixed assets. Then materials. Hope you got my point. And what is SAP? SAP is a ERP software application. SAP is ERP software application. It should be always. I already told you so many times. System always works as robo. System always works as robo. First of all, system should understand. See, you are giving some rent account data to bank account. That is the accounting entry you want to post as a user. Just assume that. How system will understand? Who is Tanya and who? Why you are asking? Okay, Josna phone number here.
The notes of Pentacle.
Sorry.
Hi sir, this is Josna. I
Yeah.
have asked her like pick class notes picture, so she have give it in the public chat. So that's
Okay.
all.
Anyways, okay. So you are trying to post accounting document rent account data to bank account. How system knows that rent account is a GL, bank account is a GL. You are trying to post one document, one accounting entry, rent account data to vendor account. Rent account data to vendor account. How system knows rent is a GL. Okay, vendor is accounts payable. Okay, right? And whenever you are trying to post one customer invoice, customer account data to sales revenue, how system knows? Customer is okay, accounts receivable, and sales revenue is GL account. Right or wrong? System should understand. Who should understand? System should understand. For that one, what SAP has okay given? Standard account. For that standard account as GL is what is that? Yes. Why they have given name S, sir? Okay, no. I don't like word. Okay, letter S. I like T or I like P. Okay, don't ask this type of stupid questions. They have designed like that. That is German software. They have designed like that. What is the standard account type for GL? Yes, we should remember that. Why ABCD start with A? Why it has not started with Z? ఇటువంటి వాటి మీద అంటే కోడిగుడ్డు మీద ఏకలు బిగుతాం చూసారు అటువంటి ఆలోచిస్తూ ఉన్నాడు ఓకే ట్రై టు ఓకే రైట్ ఓకే హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్ సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ అకౌంట్ టైప్ ఫర్ GL? Yes. For AP, what is the account type? A. For AR, what is the account type? B. For asset accounting, what is the account type? A. For materials, what is the account type? M. Yeah. Hope you got my point. These are the standard account types provided by SAP. From today onwards, if I use the word standard, it means provided by SAP because system should understand. They have written background logic like that. Any account type, if it comes as a yes, the transaction belongs to GL. The transaction belongs to GL. Any account type, it is recording in system, in backend, in database as account type K. The transaction belongs to A. The accounts payable. Any transaction, if the account type is D, the transaction belongs to accounts receivable. Any transaction, if the account type is A, then the transaction belongs to fixed assets. Any transaction, if the account type is M, while saving, the transaction belongs to AT. System should understand. Who should understand? System should understand. Hope you got my point. What are the standard account types provided by SAP? What is my question? What is standard account types provided by SAP? CL is SAP
SKD.
terminology. AP is SAP terminology.
No.
Here is SAP terminology. Try to understand question first. What is standard account types provided by SAP? S is for GL, K is for AP, D is for AR, K is for M is for. Once again, tell me what are the standard account types provided by SAP? S for A for second, what are the standard account types provided by SAP? What are the standard account types provided by SAP? What are the standard account type provided by SAP for material? What is the standard account type provided by SAP for AR? What is the standard account type provided by SAP for AP? What is the standard account type provided by SAP for GL? What is the standard account type provided by fixed asset? Why SAP has provided this all? To understand by system. To understand by system. Who should understand first? Not you, not me. Who should understand? System. Because system has not gone to any college to study CEC or to study BCom or to study MCom. Hope you got the point. System should understand first of all, this is GL transaction, this is AR transaction, this is AP transaction, this is asset transaction, this is material transaction. Okay, that is the reason what SAP has given standard account types. Whatever the project you go in this world, either you work on ECC or either you work on S4HANA or either you work on Rana or Bata or Tata, whatever it may be, these all are standard account types. No one can change. No one can change. Hope you got my point. Debit and credit. Since last 100 years, debit is debit, credit is credit. Real account is real account, nominal account is nominal account, personal account is personal account. Liability is liability, asset is asset, income is income, asset. Okay, expenditure, expenditure. Have you changed that? Have I changed that? In the same way, we cannot change this account. Because what is the purpose of account types? To understand by system. What is this transaction? Hope you got my point. Simply, user is posting rent account at a bank account or customer account at revenue account or vendor account at a bank account. System will not understand. System will understand based on account types. Based on account types. Now tell me, who will post accounting entries in SAP? Who will post accounting entries in SAP? Who will? Business user. Who will post? Business
User.
user. Business user responsibility is to post accounting documents in SAP. These account types provided by SAP, okay, to understand by system. To understand by system. What is this transaction? Then while posting user should also provide some input. Right or wrong? For that one, SAP has given what SAP has provided? Standard document text. What is the meaning of standard? Provided by SAP. Provided by SAP. Okay, see, you are trying to buy my application. Whenever you are buying my application, these are the account types we have in my application. These all are my document types we have in my application. So whenever you want to record the transaction, yes, GL, how my system will understand, how my application will understand, the account type in background I have written as yes. Whenever the account type is yes, while user posting entry, so system automatically will understand that is GL. Whenever the account type is A, system will understand that is whenever the account type is M, system will understand that is material. Hope you got the point. Then who will post these entries? Business user. Who will post these entries? So business user also give some input, right or wrong? For that one, what SAP has given? Standard document. For that GL, the standard document type provided by SAP is What is that? What is that? What is SA? Standard document type provided by SAP to record
GL account.
to record not AR, not AP, not asset, not material. What is SA belongs to? GL transaction. What is SAP belongs to? What is okay? SAP belongs to GL transaction. If anyone asks, what is the standard document type provided by SAP to record GL transaction? To record GL transaction. What is that document type? SA.
SA.
Just assume that here also the document type is SA. Just assume that. I am saying very confidently, SA belongs to SA belongs to, but here I have written SA against AP also. Then how system will understand? SA belongs to GL only. SA does not belongs to AP. SA does not belongs to AR. SA does not belongs to assets. SA does not belongs to, because I am very confidently saying that SA belongs to GL. How system will understand? Yes, user is providing SA. Okay, user is providing SA. But how system will understand? This SA belongs to GL only. It does not belongs to AR, or it does not belongs to AP. It does not belongs to AP. That is the reason every standard document type contains respective account type. Respective account type. What is the account type for SA? What is the account type for SA? S belongs to GL. Right or wrong? S belongs to GL. Every document type contains respective account type. So SA contains respective account type as yes. Then system will understand. So user will provide SA as input. Hope you got a moment. While providing SA, immediately in background in that SA configuration, what is the account type? Okay, it already built. Yes, yes. Then system will understand. SA belongs to GL. Who should
GL
understand?
account.
Who should
System.
understand? Who should
System.
understand? System. Not you, not me. First of all, who should understand? System should understand. Then only system will segregate transactions. It is GL transaction. This is customer transaction. This is vendor transaction. This is okay. Asset transaction. This is material transaction. That is the reason every document type contains respective
Account type.
What is the account type for document type SA? Yes.
Yes.
SA belongs to
GL
belongs
account.
Yeah. So, okay, SA belongs to, okay, SA always contains account type as yes. SA is nothing but GL. So, system easily understand this is GL transaction. This is GL transaction. Hope you got it, Bhavan. Now, just assume that I am end user, I am business user. My manager has given some 10 GL documents. How many documents? 10 GL documents or GL invoice to post in SAP. The first entry is rent account data to bank account. What is the first entry? Rent account data to bank account. The second entry is bank account data to share capital account. The third entry is some bank account data to loan account. The fourth entry is traveling expense account data to bank account. The fifth entry is cash account data to bank account. In this way, how many invoices my manager has given? Now tell me, these 10 documents should have 10 different document numbers or one document number. 10 different document numbers. 10 different, because my manager has given 10 GL invoices. So now whenever my user is posting, system should post accounting document 1, right or wrong? Accounting document 2, accounting document 3. In this way, how many documents it should post? How many documents it should post? Because 10 are different GLs. For example, you have gone to one shop. Just assume that you have gone to one shop. You have gone to one normal Himalaya bookstore like that. Before you come to this class, you want to purchase 3 things. One is book, and second one is bag, third one is pen. Third one is pen. These are the 3 things you want to purchase in Himalaya bookstore. What is? One is book, bag, pen. You have gone to that shop, you purchased first book. You forgot to buy bag and you forgot to buy pen. So whenever you purchase that book, they will give invoice or not? They will give invoice or not? You came out from Himalaya bookstore. So whenever you see that bill, what number will be there? Then immediately you remember, I forgot. Okay, buying pen and buying bag. Then again you have gone back to shop, and again you have purchased bag, but you forgot to buy pen. Again they will give invoice or not? The previous invoice and the invoice which you have received now by buying that particular bag will contain same number or different number. That is okay. Separate accounting document. This is separate accounting document. Then again you came out from that Himalaya bookstore. Again you remember that I forgot pen. Then again you have gone and again you purchased pen. Again they will give one more bill. That bill also will have. So each and every invoice number is for me one accounting document. For me, first time they have sold. Okay, book. What is the accounting entry? Cash account to revenue account or book account, whatever it may be, based on their software. The second they have sold bag. Cash account to bag account. The third they have sold pen. Cash account to pen. 3 accounting documents, 3 different billing invoices. In the same way, in SAP also, whenever user is posting different invoices, system will generate different accounting documents. Different accounting documents. For that one, what SAP has done, what SAP has given? Document number range codes. Document number range codes. And along with that one, SAP has given to maintain document number ranges. Document number ranges. For example, every standard document type contains document number range code. Every document type contains document number range code. So just assume that I have not written here standard. That means all document numbers we will maintain based on client request. Based on which number they want to maintain. For example, you have gone to Himalaya, their billing invoice start with 1. You have gone to some universal bookstore, their invoice may start with 5. Hope you got it. Doesn't mean every company, every organization they should start with 1 only. Hope you got it. Total, that is the reason number ranges always will be decided, designed, configured based on client business. Based on client business. They may say my all invoices should start with 1, or they may say my all invoices should start with 9, or they may say my all invoices should start with 7 or 6 or 2, whatever it may be. Just assume that the SA document type contains the number range code is 1. The number range code is 1. Every number range code contains document number. Here for 1, I have maintained 1 to 1,99,999. Hope you got my point. So what you people should understand, every document type contains respective account type. What is the account type for SA? Yes. And every document type contains document number range code. What is the document number range code for SA? 01. Every number range code contains number ranges. What are the number ranges I have maintained? 1 to 1,99,000. What it means? My user can post 1,99,999 documents, accounting documents, by using document type. SA belongs to GL. I am not talking about API, I am not talking about AR, I am not talking about SAP, I am not talking about material. Here I am only GL. I am in GL only. I am in GL only. So by GL, by using GL accounts, how many documents my user can post? 1,99,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever it may be. Hope you got it. Then you people may have some doubt. Sir, if a system crosses 1,99,999, what we should take? What we should do? Hope you got it. It doesn't mean that system will not cross 1,99,999. For example, if you take some company like More, Even if you buy 1 rupee chocolate, one transaction will be. Right or wrong? So they crosses 1,99,000 or not? Then okay, that is the reason every document number range you will maintain for each company code level, for each company code level, and for every financial year wise. For every, that means this 1,99,000 belongs to one financial year only. One financial year only. Again, financial year changes. Again, we should maintain. Hope you got movement. Then you people may have some doubt. Sir, within financial year, if it crosses. రైట్ ఓకే మనకు ఫస్ట్ రావాల్సిన డౌట్స్ ఏనండి కానీ మన దరిద్రం ఏంటంటే అవి రావు మనకి ఏబిసిడి అంటే ఏబిసిడి అంటాం రైట్ వచ్చిన అవి అన్నెసరీ డౌట్స్ వస్తాయి ఓకే హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్ అవసరమైన రావు ఎనీవేస్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ క్రాసెస్ 1,99,000 ఓకే ఇన్ సేమ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇయర్ వాట్ కెన్ బి హ్యాపెన్ వాట్ వీ కెన్ డూ it is just okay, it is just 6 digit okay length I have taken, but SAP has given option to maintain in this option to maintain in this. Hope you got my point. You can maintain up to almost 10 or 12 digits, almost 10 or 12 digits, but as per my experience, as per my knowledge, I am telling you this number range belongs to this number range belongs to GL node. Hardly in a single year. Again, this number range belongs to every financial year, and for each company code. I have 10 company codes. I should maintain separately for 10 company codes. And again, for every financial year. For every financial year. In a single financial year, by using any account type, hardly user may post some 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 or maximum, okay, 1 lakh. Maximum 1 lakh. Sir, how we can design this number range? How we came to know? How we will come to know? Sorry, how we will come to know? This particular user will post 1 lakh documents only, or 2 lakhs documents only, or 3 lakh documents only. Okay, based on which parameter, based on what parameter we should decide this? As I already told you so many times, business people are not new to their business. Business people are not new to their business. They are running their business since last 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Hope you got my point. Now they have decided to implement SAP as their software. You should ask them. You will conduct 10 number of meetings in as is and to be session, business blueprint session. Right or wrong? Already we have discussed it. What are the stages involved in project methodology? Project preparation?
Blueprint.
In business blueprint, what are the phases we have? As is and to be. What is as is? What is as is? అయిపోయింది రోజు అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి చాప్టర్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ మనకు గుర్తుండదు వాట్ ఈస్ యాజ్ ఈస్ యాజ్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ we study existing business process. We study existing business process in as is phase. What they are doing since last 10 years, since last 20 years, how they are recording their transactions. What are the transactions they have recorded in GL? What are the transactions they have volume of transactions? They have recorded in AR. They have recorded in AP. They have recorded in assets. They have recorded in materials. We will ask them. We will ask them. Guru Garu, okay, by using only GL accounts, how many transactions you are doing in existing software? They will show the records. These are the records they are, okay, we are creating, okay, for GL. We are posting for AP. We are posting for AR. In which software? In existing software. In software? Non-SAP is not in SAP software. We have not built that yet. How you will take, okay, say, software and SAP, that's it. Software and SAP, that's it. దీనికి పని పెట్టండి సార్ దీనికి పని పెట్టండి ఇన్ విచ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ existing software. Now they have decided to implement SAP. As a consultant, we will conduct meetings. We will ask them. Hope you got my point. What are the transactions you have recorded? You are recording in existing software for GL. If they say 4 lakhs, just assume that. Then you should maintain here at least 8 lakhs. At least 8 lakhs. If they say 1 lakh, then at least you should maintain 2 lakhs. If they say, okay, I am posting 10 lakh transactions by using GL, then at least you should maintain here 20 lakhs. Because this number range belongs to each company code level and for that financial year only. Again, if okay, the financial year process. If the financial year process, then again you should maintain another 20 lakhs. Hope you got my point. Hope you got my point. మీరు అడగచ్చు సార్ అప్పుడు కూడా క్రాస్ అయిపోతాయి వెళ్ళి గోదావరిలో సీరియస్ hope you got my point. Normally, okay, it will not be done like that. SAP has given almost okay, you can maintain 2 crores, 3 crores, okay, length also number ranges. This is what is this length. Okay, if you calculate from back end onwards, it will be in crores. It will be in crores. Hope SAP has given that option. SAP has given until unless it overlaps to other account type, you can maintain any length of number ranges. Any length of number range. Now for GL, just we will take 1,99,990. Hope you got my point. So now what you people should understand? Every document type contains respective account type. What is the account type for SA? Yes. S belongs to GL. Who has given S belongs to GL? SAP has given, not you, not me. Why SAP has given S? To understand by system. To understand by system. Why SAP has given SA? User should enter.
User to enter.
User should enter document type SA. Then system will understand SA belongs to account type S. S belongs to GL. So system will understand. Okay, he is trying to post GL document. And every document type contains document number range code. Every number range code contains document. Document number ranges we always define based on company code level and based on for each financial year. For each financial year, before you decide number ranges, you should discuss with business team. You should discuss with business team how many transactions normally you post by using GL accounts. If say 1 lakh, try to maintain 2 lakhs. If they say 10 lakhs, try to maintain 20 lakhs. In a single year, any business, normally they don't record transactions. Their business may be 200%, 300%, 400% may increase. But coming to one account type, they don't post the transactions 100% excess. Hope you got my point. That is the reason for better usage purpose. If they say 1 lakh transactions we are posting by using GL, then try to maintain 2 lakhs. If they say 2 lakhs, try to maintain 2 lakhs. Why I am saying 100%? Because it will be changed every financial year. Again, you should maintain. That is the reason. It's always better to maintain 100% excess. Hope you got my point. Here and here, I have not written the word standard. SAP has given standard document number range code and SAP has given standard number ranges. But it can be redesigned. It can be redesigned based on client business. Based on client. That is the reason I don't write here standard. Hope you got my point. Everyone is clear. Now, I already told you that my manager has given 10 accounting documents to me. The 10 accounting documents belongs to GL. Okay, different transactions. What are those? Rent account data to bank account. Okay, bank account data to share capital account. Bank account data to loan account. And traveling expense account data to cash account. Cash account data to bank account. In this way, how many transactions has okay, my manager has given 10 transactions. How many documents I should post? 10 documents. How many document number ranges system will generate? 10 document number ranges. Okay, based on the user given that particular inputs. What user will give? User will provide document type. Every document type contains document number range code. So every number range code we will maintain number ranges. These number ranges we will maintain for each company code for each financial year. Everyone is clear, right? Then how system knows while user is posting rent account data to bank account or bank account data to share capital account or bank account data to loan account or traveling expense account data to cash account or cash account data to bank account, how system should understand this GL should be debited, this GL should be credited. User is trying to post rent account data to bank account. So user will provide document type SA. Then immediately system will go and system will check. What is the first one? Whenever user provide SA, what system will check first? System will check. So what is the account type for SA? So system will understand it is GL. So user is providing 2 GLs. What are those 2 GLs? One is rent, another one is bank. As per nominal account in this transaction, as per nominal account, rent should be debited because rent is expenditure. As per real account, okay, amount is going out from organization, so it should be credited. It should be credited. How system knows? Rent should be debited, bank should be credited. System has gone to any college to study commerce.
Posting
System has
keys.
gone to any college. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Again, we should provide some input. We should provide some input. This rent account should be debited. This bank account should be credited. This bank account should be debited. This loan account should be credited. This bank traveling expense account should be debited. Cash account should be credited. In this way, who should provide input? Again, user should provide. Again, then only system will understand this is debit, this is credit. For that one, what SAP has given? SAP has given standard. Again, I am using the word standard. What is the meaning of standard? Provided with what SAP has given? Standard posting keys. Standard posting keys. These posting keys, okay. Again, system will understand based on this posting keys. This item is debit. This item is credit. Hope you got the point. What are the standard posting keys provided by SAP? 40 is for debit GL account. 40 is for debit GL. 50 is for credit. 50 is for credit GL. Hope you got the point. Okay, what SAP has provided to understand which one is debit, which one is credit? Standard posting keys. Now, what are the posting keys provided by SAP for GL account? Sir, still I am in. ఇక్కడ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళలేదండి ఎక్కడున్నాను సార్ జిఎల్ అకౌంటింగ్ లో వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ బై SAP ఫర్ GL అకౌంట్ SA. What is the standard account type provided by SAP for GL account? What are the standard posting keys provided by SAP for GL account? 40 is for debit GL, 50 is for credit GL. 40 is for debit GL, 50 is for. So whenever user is giving rent, along with rent he should provide 40 as a posting key. Then system will understand this GL should be debited. Then along with the bank account, user should provide posting key as 50. Then system will understand this is credit. Hope you got the point. Then 40 is one numeric and 50 is one numeric. How system will understand? 40 belongs to GL, 40 belongs to debit only. 50 belongs to GL. By using 50, I should only credit. Who should understand? Who should understand? Not you. Who should understand? Why? Okay. What my question is? Yes, user has given rent 40, bank 50. Then how system understand? 40 belongs to GL, 40 belongs to debit, 50 belongs to GL, 50 belongs to credit. How system will understand? Again, there should be some parameter, right or wrong? That is the reason every posting key contains again respective account type. So 40 contains what is the account type?
Yes.
50 contains what is the account type? Yes. Then only system will understand 40 belongs to GL account, 50 belongs to GL. Again, how system will understand? It is debit or it is credit. The second thing, every posting key contains debit or credit indicator. Debit or credit
Indicator.
I am writing, okay, I am writing here or not yet. Either it should be debit or credit. Then only system will understand. Whenever user is providing 40, it will check what is the account type. What is the respective account type for 40? Yes. Then system will understand it is GL. Then system will check what is the indicator it is having, debit or credit. 40 belongs to debit. Then okay, user is trying to debit my GL. Debit this rent GL. Then coming to 50, system will check what is the account type. What is the account type? Then system will check what is the 50 account type.
Yes.
Then it is system will understand it is GL. Then again system will check what is the indicator it is. What is the indicator? Credit. Then system will check it is credit. He is trying to post credit. Hope you got the point. So This FI document type settings is very, 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 very important to record accounting documents in SAP. Okay, who should understand first? System, because system always works as robo. System always works as robo. First system should understand. Okay, system educate out, tarvata mano educate out. How system will understand? For that one, what SAP has given? Standard account. What are the standard accountants SAP has given? S for S for GL. ప్రపంచంలో ఏ మూలకెళ్ళినా whatever the project you do, it cannot be changed. Hope you got my point. It cannot be changed. Hope you got my point. These two provided by SAP. And again, it cannot be changed. It also has been provided by SAP. These two also SAP has given, but it can be changed or redesigned based on client business. Based on client business. What is the standard document type provided by SAP for GL accounts? Yes. GL postings? Yes. What is the standard? My question is, see, once again I am telling you, answer ఇవ్వాలని హరిబరిగా ఉండకండి సార్. అలా ఉండాలనుకున్న వెళ్ళిపోండి పెట్టి. Try to understand question first. ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పించుకుంటారు సార్? Try to understand question first. Why you people are failing in interviews? This is the reason I am telling you that. మీకు ఏదో ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాను, నేను గొప్ప, నేను తోపు, నేను ఓకే ఇంటెలిజెంట్, నేను క్లెవర్, ఏమీ చూడరండి ఎవ్వరు. మీకు 100 వచ్చినా పట్టించుకోరు, 35 వచ్చినా పట్టించుకోరు. ఆ రోజుకి మీరు ఏమి చేశారు? Hope you got my point. Whether you get 100 marks, we don't care. Whether you get 35 marks, we don't care. How much skill you have, how much patience you have, how much attitude you have, what is the subject you are carrying, what is the, okay, seriously I am telling, these are things, okay, we will. 100 వచ్చేసిందండి ఓకే అకాడమిక్స్లో, బట్ జాబ్ రావట్లేదు. రాదు. ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? నువ్వు వెళ్ళి ఎలా కూర్చుంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూలో రైటరా ఎవడిస్తాడు? ఎందుకు ఇస్తాడు? అవసరం ఏముంది? Hope you got moment. Try to understand the question first. What is the standard document provided by SAP for GL? SA. And every document contains? Every document contains? So whenever user provide SA, system immediately it will cross check what is the account type. What is the account type? And immediately it will cross check what is the number range code. Then whether the number ranges has been maintained or not against number range code. Then system will post 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever you go to any shop, you purchase 10 items differently, they will give 10 invoices or not? Yes, the 10 invoices, it will carry 10 different numbers or not? How system is generating? దాని అంతా అదేమన్నా దేవుడు అండి? How system is generating those invoices? ఎప్పుడైనా ఆలోచించారా? Background consultants like us, they have designed in that way. Hope you got my point. You go to any shop from today onwards, whenever you are purchasing something, whenever you are taking bill, try to observe that bill. Whatever the contents, okay, it is there on that bill. Either any software it is, consultants like us, they have designed in backend based on business requirement. Based on business. Some okay, if you take some billing invoices, the company address will be on top of okay invoice. If you take some invoices, the company address is okay on below the bottom of the invoice. How? Someone has designed that. And if you take some invoices, some box will be there. Serial number, particulars, material, quantity. Who has designed? Consultants like us. Okay, back end they have designed. And it is okay generating invoice numbers like anything. Whenever you purchase something, how it is generating? Again, consultants like us. Back end they have designed. Back end they have provided number ranges. Backend they have provided number ranges. Based on that, system is generating that invoice numbers. ఒక్కసారి బ్యాకెండ్ ఓకే నెంబర్స్ జనరేట్ చేయకుండా బ్యాకెండ్ నెంబర్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయకుండా జస్ట్ ఆస్క్ దెమ్ టు జనరేట్ ఇన్వాయిస్, దే కెనాట్. Hope you got my point. So okay, every document type contains reverse. Every document type contains document number. So what is the okay respective account type for SA? Yes. What is the respect to number range code? Here we have maintained for SA 0. And every number range code you maintain? Every number range you will maintain at company code level for every fiscal year. And to know the debit or credit for the respective account type, what SAP has given? Standard posting fees. So what are the standard posting is provided by SAP for GL account? 40 for debit GL, 50 is for credit GL. This one no one can change, this one no one can change, and this one you always should remember that. Either it is ECC or S4HANA or RANA, but whatever the thing they have introduced it in future also. They won't change this one, they won't change this. And they won't change that standard activities. Okay, then now my question. Okay, my manager has given 10 documents. Rent account data to bank account 10,000, or okay, next bank account data to loan account 1 lakh, and bank account data to share capital account 5 lakhs. In this way, okay, my manager has given 10 documents. Then while posting one document, these all are GL documents only. I have not discussed about any okay thing. I have not discussed. While posting this okay documents in one document, for example, bank account data to loan account. This is the document my user is going to post. As a user, I am trying to post in my system. What is the document? Bank account data to loan account. What is the amount? 1 lakh. What is the amount? 1 lakh. But రాత్రి శివరాత్రి జాగారం చేశాను. పొద్దున 6 PM నుంచి మార్నింగ్ 6 AM వరకు అలాగే మెలకువగా ఉన్నాను. అదే నిద్ర కళ్ళతో ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళాను. ఐ హ్యావ్ గౌన్ టు ఆఫీస్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 1 lakh, I have okay entered 10 lakhs. Instead of 1 lakh, I have entered
10 lakhs.
There is no control, system has posted. There is no control, just assume that system has posted. What is my actual amount?
1 lakh.
What is okay? What I have posted?
10 lakhs.
Now what we need to do? What we need to do?
Rectification of error.
Rectification means how we can rectify?
Identify the error. And
How we can rectify? I will give 3 options. Tell me. Identification means we have identified. Okay, instead of 1 lakh, how much I have posted?
10 lakhs.
I will give 3 options. Tell me what you people will do. 4 options I will give. Because last day epudu undali kada. Okay. First one. I will modify that amount from 10 lakhs to 1 lakh. I have posted one document. What is the amount? 1 lakh. But how much I have posted? 10 lakhs. So now I have identified this document I have posted with wrong amount. So I will modify that amount from 10 lakhs to 1 lakh. That is first option. That is first option. Second option, I will delete the document totally, 10 lakhs document. Again, I will post, totally I will delete from database itself. Then again, I will post 1 lakh. Again, I will post 1 lakh. That is the second option. Okay, what is the first option? I will modify the amount from 10 lakhs to 1 lakh. What is the second option? Totally delete and okay, I will okay repost the document with right amount. How much? Correct amount, 1 lakh. Third option, I will reverse the 10 lakhs document. Then again, I will post 1 lakh. I will reverse. Debit will be created, credit will be debited. Then again, I will post. I will post with correct amount, 1 lakh. New document. Okay, 1 lakh. The fourth option, I will resign my job and I will go to bed. నాకు ఎందుకు వచ్చింది తలపోట్లు ఇవన్నీ అంతే కదా, అలాగే కదా పారిపోతాం కదా సిచ్యువేషన్. ఐ విల్ రిజైన్ మై జాబ్ అండ్ ఐ విల్. అందుకే ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ లేకపోయినా చెప్పాను అనమాట. రైట్, టెల్ మీ
Reverse.
what we will do. What we will do? What we will do?
Reversal of
No
entry.
document once it has posted in live system, you cannot modify,
Or
you cannot delete. What is the option we have?
reverse the entry.
What is the option we have?
Reverse.
Reverse. What is the okay, wrong document you have posted? You should provide the document. Okay, SAP has given some okay functionality. By providing the document, you can reverse. You can reverse. Then whenever you are doing reverse, the debit which you have posted will be credited. The credit which you have posted will be credited. Then again you can post a new document with correct amount. With correct amount. For that one, system automatically should reverse the document. Already you have posted, right or wrong? One document number has been generated. Now you should reverse the document. Hope you got my point. For that one, SAP has given every document it contains reverse Reverse document type. Reverse document type. From today onwards, if anyone asks what is the purpose of document type in SAP, document type will be used to post accounting document in SAP by business user. Document type will be used to post accounting document in SAP by business user. Every document type contains every document type contains every document type contains reverse document. These are the three functionalities people should remember. You take any document type, either it is GL or AR or AP or assets or materials. Every document type contains respective. Every document type contains document number. Every document type contains reverse. So whenever user is providing this document type, first system will check reverse respect to account type. What is the account type? Whether it is S, it belongs to GL. If it is K, it belongs to A. If it is D, it belongs to AR. If it is it belongs to if it is M, it belongs to hope I got point. Everyone is clear, right? And next system will check document number. Against that number range code, we will maintain document number. Because whenever you are posting, document numbers will be generated or not. Accounting documents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right or wrong? For that one, every number range code we will maintain document. This number ranges how we will maintain for each company code number for every and every document you take, any document you take, minimum one debit should be there, minimum one credit should be there. Minimum one debit, minimum one debit. How system will understand this GL should be debit, this vendor should be credit, this customer should be debit, this asset should be credit, this material should be debit, this material should be credit, based on every posting key contains what are the standard posting keys provided by SAP for GLs? 40 is for debit GL, 50 is for credit. If any mistake happens while posting, what user should do? Right, reversal of that particular accounting document. For that one, what SAP has given? Every document type contains reversal. This is hot. This is hot for F5. This is hot for F5. Last 3 days, which we have discussed, F5 organized structure, company code global settings, and tomorrow also I will continue the same class because we should discuss about. Hope we got more part. So these 3 or 4 classes are hot for F5. Whatever the journey you do in SAP going forward, either it is in your practice or in your learning, in your day-to-day job or in your interviews, this is hot. This is hot. You post any document, user post any document, either it should be belongs to or it should be belongs to or it should be belongs to or it should be belongs to every document it should be generate one document. For that one, what SAP has given? Document. Who will give this document types in SAP? User will provide while posting. So whenever user is posting that any document, user will give this input. So based on this input, system will check. System will check. System will check. Then system will post the document number. But any document contains minimum one debit, one credit. How system will understand this is debit, this is credit? Again, what are the standard posting is provided by SAP for GL accounts? Every posting key contains debit or credit indicate. Please note it down. Tomorrow we discuss about remaining. Right. Any doubts for online people?
No, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Tomorrow we will meet it, sir. Tomorrow I may take class from 7:30 to 9:30 or 10 o'clock, and because I should complete this all. And day after tomorrow also I take class from 7:30 to 9:30 or 10 o'clock, because day after tomorrow I take one technical class, because from Monday onwards we will go to system. We will go to system as per schedule. Hope you people understand. Thank you.